You can expect a lot from the 2018 Jeep Wrangler. Top features include remote keyless entry, delay-off headlights, a tachometer, a built-in garage door transmitter, a blind spot monitoring system, heated seats, heated steering wheel, and more. Features such as automatic climate control and leather upholstery prove that economical transportation does not need to be sparsely equipped. Audio features include an AM/FM radio and 9 speakers, providing excellent sound throughout the cabin. Jeep also prioritized safety and security with features such as dual front impact airbags, front and side impact airbags, traction control, brake assist, a panic alarm, an emergency communication system, and 4-wheel disc brakes with ABS. Electronic stability control stands out as a technologically savvy innovation, keeping you better connected to the road. Stop by our dealership or give us a call for more information.